Welcome to Taichi Lan. This is 5 animal Qigong exercise movement 4, monkey. The yin organ represent heart, yang organ small intestines. Element represented as fire. So now you can see I'm doing raising monkey pose. So you need to do it bit by bit, heel up, and then first pulling down and press down, and then finally heel down. Now the next movement is picking fruit. You need to do one step backward, and then squat, and then picking, and then back with cool hands and look. Another side. Imagine there is a fruit on the tree. You step forward and picking, and then back to the original position with squatting position and back to the center. The other hand, the other side, monkey hand by the waist area. One step backward, looking 40 degrees up to the tree. Press down and picking. And then monkey hands back to cool hand, back to squatting position. Completion of the movement.